Well, it looks like they had a wild party in here last night. This place is an absolute mess. It's like a cyclone hit it. Food bowl upside down on the floor. Shredded paper towels all over. Chewed up cardboard box. Snoozy bed crooked and out of place. More shredded paper towels. Another snoozy bed out of place. What'd you do last night, huh? Voodoo. Yeah? What'd you do? Comes Mama. It's getting to be a fat kitty. Yeah. Nice and plump. Gets plenty to eat. There's little Hoodoo. Looks like she's worn out. Okay. Looks like they had fun.